The Trinidad and Tobago Meteorological Service houses many instruments for the collection of meteorological data. Today, we will explore the 3D printed automatic weather stations, commonly referred to as the 3D PAWS. 3D PAWS are low-cost, reliable, and eco-friendly 3D printed weather stations capable of measuring pressure, temperature, relative humidity, wind speed, wind direction, precipitation, UV light, visible light, and infrared light.
The Trinidad and Tobago Meteorological Service has embarked upon the manufacturing and installation of our very own three-dimensional printed automatic weather stations, better known as the 3D PAWS. This project is a collaborative effort between the Trinidad and Tobago Meteorological Service and the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration National Weather Service out of the United States of America. We have at this time installed 19 of these automatic weather stations, and in the upcoming months our plan is to install many more.
At the TTMS, our technical staff compute and print the components for the weather stations using 3D software and a weather-resistant poly-like material. Once all the individual components are created, they are attached to their sensors and the station is assembled. Our staff then conducts various tests to calibrate and certify the weather station's readiness for the field. The stations are mounted on a post firmly erected on an approximately 1 to 1 foot concrete base. They require a small area for installation and are powered by solar energy. The station uses a cellular IoT device and platform for data acquisition, data processing, and communications. Measurements are taken every minute and are transmitted back to our office in PAWS at 15-minute intervals. Stations are located throughout Trinidad and are an important part of the TTMS data collection network. As of October 2024, the TTMS has successfully installed 19 of these 3D PAWS stations. There are 3D PAWS located at PAWS, Centeno, Mount St. Benedict, Moruga, Brasso Venado, Mayaro, Wildfall Trust, Pinal, Bridgeguard Hill, and Pyramid. With the installation of these 3D PAWS, the TTMS, through collaboration with agencies of the United States government, hopes to build capacity to reduce hydrometeorological related risk in Trinidad, observe and communicate weather and climate information to rural communities, and improve and strengthen our existing weather observation and monitoring network throughout the island.